everyone, and welcome back. Now, on this channel, is usually put up videos that you find helpful. So the video we're putting up today is about adjustment levels. How to add adjustment layer in Capcut PC. Now, as you can see, this Capcut, I've got no video of a particular video, so I've set the project. I want to add adjustment layer to this particular video. The video already has a filter. Where there's a filter, there's a video. In shape, baby. Anyway, the next thing is I want to add a filter. So what I'm going to do is I have to adjust it. Over here, you can see video, audio, speed, and animation. Next option is adjustment. This is it. The click on adjustment, you have the basic, you have the HSL, we have the curves, we have the max. And so, let's start with the basic. On the basic, we have the option LUT, mute. So you open it, you see adjust. So you have temperature, tint, saturation, we have lightness, exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, blacks, brilliance, effect, sharpen, clarity, particles, fade, and vignette. So you have everything. So you can now decide to adjust it the way you want. It all depends on you. So you can adjust it the way you want. So under LUT, we have none right now. Open it. So we have none. Then you can now put the skin tone to make the skin tone look more radiant. The other adjustments, we have the color. You can change the color. It's even a white black and white picture, but you can see the effects taking place. The temperature there. We have tints. Then we have saturation, contrast. You can see it's happening. Highlights, shadow. I'm messing up the picture by the way, but I'm sure you know exactly what to do to adjust yours to make it better. Then brilliance. So you want to get rid of all this nonsense, what you just did. I simply go here or click this button over here, and it's back to normal. Then I still have sharpen. Under effects, I can do sharpen, the clarity, particles, fade, then vignette. So that's it. And then if you don't like any of them, we'll remove the effects under this. So you can adjust it also here, raising it down to decrease and up to increase. Then you can also right click the keyframe to create a variable speed animation. So we don't want to do that. So once you're through, you can now save as a preset or apply to all. You can also go here, use the HLR where you have the hue. You can choose the saturation, the brightness. You can choose the color. Over here, they are just under it. If you don't want to have them, simply tap on this. Go back to normal. Curves also, we have all, we have Luma. So they are different ones. Adjust the way you want. They have mask. You can add a mask. You can use the various marks you can add. So once it's through, you click on save or apply. Apply to all the pages. So it's as simple as that. But if you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.